This is why Chevy's the best, because they actually thought about us when we had to do stuff to them. Unlike every other manufacturer, they don't care how hard it is to build. Both the handle and the locking mechanism clip onto those rods. Each one's different. The locking mechanism pops in and clips on, and that one just clips on in the groove. And then you pop your inner door card off and put in your 3 bolts. There's the access port for 2, but the 3rd bolt, you have to put your hand up in there like I'm doing right there to put it on. No access port.